no-code AI automation with income potential between $300 and $400 an hour. If you look at all the waste of time, money, resources that businesses go through just managing workflow, you would find so many opportunities to help businesses make money. It's why people are paid so well. Recently, we had our automation expert take all of our onboarding that we use at Martell Media for new employees from 15 tasks down to 1. Imagine what that saved us. And that's why we're willing to invest in the right talent to build these kind of automations. It actually brings me back to a quote that this guy, Naval Ravikant, talks about, who's like one of the top technology investors and then also like life philosophers. And he says, we don't get paid for hours anymore. We get paid for outputs. And automation can literally 10x your output. To make this super easy for you, I'm going to share with you my no-code AI automation blueprint to help you understand how to use tools like Make.com, N8N, Zapier, Gumloop, and many of these AI workflows to be able to get paid top dollar to implement this work. Number 1, map the workflow. So for you to be able to come in and map out all the processes to find the bottleneck that's stopping the business from growing, that is what's valuable. So for example, in a sales process, you've got everything from the sales development rep who qualifies leads to the account exec who enrolls leads to the sales manager who manages the whole sales infrastructure. Going to a whiteboard and mapping that workflow on its own is worth a ton of money. Number 2, you gotta focus on cash. This is where everybody gets it wrong, where they come in and they start automating things because it's easy, but it doesn't save or make them any money. You got to find the low-hanging fruit that you can make money for your clients, because the more they save or make using your automations, the more they're going to spend with you to do more of it. So for example, helping a business do cold outreach at scale, meaning that there is a AI bot talking, dialing every minute, every day, like a 24-hour salesperson, that will generate more income for the business, which is going to get you paid more. Number 3 is build co-pilots. This is where you look at somebody's work and you ask yourself, how can I build like an AI buddy that sits right next to them or in their workflow and helps them with the work they're doing? So they're only reviewing the final outputs, not having to do a lot of manual tasks. All that's cool, but what about using AI for more complex problems in a workflow? Which brings us.
So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe.